live it up, cause you don't get it twice. One life, live it up, cause you don't get it twice.
Has smarter performance and aerial capability. Its use of brushless motors greatly increases the flying time and lifespan of the aircraft. The maximum remote control radius can reach 600 meters. Low pressure and overcurrent protection is adopted to protect the aircraft safely. With intelligent takeoff and return, the user can easily get started. With the headless mode, you can easily find the direction of your aircraft. High and low speed dual speed mode adapts as you fly in various scenarios. Intelligent flow, surround flight, track flight. Make your flight more intelligent and more fun. You can also do this through the mobile phone app.
Hello, welcome to GI Review. Today we're unboxing the Kova robot, the luggage that follows you. The tech is pretty straightforward. The luggage has a distance sensor. After you activate it, it will chase after wherever you go. It works great indoors, either it's on floor or carpet. However, it is not designed to handle rougher outdoor surface. It might have some trouble getting over bigger cracks on the ground. It is still a little weird to walk without pulling your luggage, but it will definitely turn some heads on the street.